Regulated Forex brokers. Hello friends, welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now in this video, we'll talk about this topic of regulated Forex brokers. So in case you are interested in doing Forex trading and you are starting as a newbie, or you are looking for a broker but you are doing your research and you want to know which broker is trustworthy and what are the regulations. So it's a good thing to do your research before you start investing your real money, okay? So before we talk about the brokers, I would like to tell you that on the internet, you will find a lot of videos which you can watch if you want to do your research, okay? So on the internet, people might be making top 5 brokers, top 10 brokers. I am not going to do any of that. I will tell you only my real life experience. I will share with you which broker I had been using since last 4 years without any problems, okay? And I will only talk about 2 brokers. I have more brokers if needed, okay? So 2 brokers will be divided into 2 categories. One for US and Canadian clients, and the other broker which I personally use because I don't live in US, Canada. So I will talk about the broker which is the best one so far for me. I have been using that for 4 years, and that is for international clients, people who don't live in US, Canada, okay? Now, before we start, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button. And below my YouTube video, if you click, you will find these links, okay? So if you want to connect with me on Telegram, you can click here and join my Telegram channel. And then we have these broker 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll talk about this in a moment. And also, if you want to learn about automated Forex trading using the robot or using the expert advisor, you can click on this link, and there is a course I have. You can take a look into that if you are interested later on after this video, okay? So regulated Forex broker. Now here you can see Forex broker 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now number one link here, which you will click, it will take you to the UK website. Okay. So this broker 1, 2, 3. It's the same company. It's just that they have different websites for different parts of the world. Okay. So in case you are in England or UK, click on broker number 1 link here, and you will be taken to the website, and then you can register. And broker number 2 is for Europeans only, which means if you are not in the UK, not in Canada, not in USA, but you are in the Schengen area, Switzerland, France, Germany, whatever, okay, you know how Europe works, right? So if you are in the European country or any country for that matter, Turkey or nearby countries, okay, so you can click on the second link, and the third link is for international, but no US and no Canada, okay? So just in case if you do not come in UK, you don't come in Europe, okay? So you can click on the third link here, and you would be good to go. For example, if you come from India, Australia, Singapore, Japan, whatever, okay? So you can click on the third link. These 1, 2, 3 are the same company, just catering other parts of the world, okay? So for UK, broker number 1. For European, broker number 2, same company. For international, if you're not in UK, Europe, if you're somewhere else, then click on the third link, okay? Broker number 4 is for US, Canada, and international, okay? So I'll tell you the difference between broker number 1, 2, 3, and 4. These are only 2 companies, okay? So 1, 2, 3, this is the same company. Number 4 broker is a different company, okay? So let's talk about broker 1, 2, 3, which you see the link right now. That company had been there in the world, or in this world, you can say, since 2007. Their website has been or had been here until now, and you can see their domain is expiring on 5/4/2029, okay? So they purchased their website or domain in 2007, okay? So we can consider that this company which I'm talking about, personally using it, it's a 15 years old broker company, and its headquarters is based in the UK, okay? I'm talking about this broker 1, 2, 3, UK European clients. So this company, this broker is mainly based in the UK, okay? And it has some regulations. So let's talk about those regulations. If I click here, so you can see they are registered with FCA and the CISIC. CISIC is Cyprus Authority and all that. And FCA is, you can check on the internet. Bottom line is, I have been using this personally since last 4 years, and I deposit crypto and I withdraw in crypto, and I have no problem, okay? There are other options as well. You can deposit using your card as well, depending in the country you are, okay? There will be different options. Where I am from, I I very conveniently use crypto for my deposits and withdrawals. I have no problem, okay? And the leverage which they are giving you is 1:500 maximum. And for retail, it's 1:30. Now, in this case, if you go and join through my links, if you're in UK, Europe, or somewhere else, and you join one of these three links, okay, if you want 1:500 leverage, but on their website, it's only showing you 1:30, 1:100. You can email them, you can chat with them, and and tell them that you are an experienced trader and you want a high leverage, and they will increase it for you, okay? Or if you join through my links here, you can tell me that your leverage is very minimum, and maybe I will chat with this company and I'll tell them that, okay, you have joined through me and they can increase your leverage, okay? Because for UK clients, if you sign up, your default leverage will be, I think, 1:30 or 1:70 or something like that. Okay, nothing to panic. If you want more leverage, just talk to the chat support of the broker, and they will increase your leverage. Tell them that you have joined through me, or rather, just tell them that you are going to use this leverage of us to 500. It's very easy. It's nothing. I have many clients, many people who join through me, and they're using high leverage. And in the starting, they were not given high leverage. So it's not a problem. Okay. If you want to use leverage more than 100, it's not a problem. You will get it. Okay. So if you're from UK, Europe, or other countries, join these three links. Okay. Now, the other broker which I'm talking about is number 4. Now, understand here, in the US, Canada, you do not have many choices. Okay. If you want to use a small leverage, for example, if you want to use 1:30, 1:50, you will find US based brokers, for Forex.com and some other.com. You will find many US based brokers, but they will never give you high leverage. Okay. And when you want to get high leverage more than 200, more than 300, in that case, you have to go for offshore broker. Okay. There will be some risks, but this broker which I have used or tested rather, because I'm using the first one, this one. Okay, let me show you. I am personally using this broker, okay, and this is a very old broker, more than 15 years, okay. And this broker which I'm talking about for US, Canada now, this broker had been there since 2021, as you can see, and it's expiring on 29, okay. So they're also in the in the long-term business, you can see. And I have done personal testing with this US, Canada broker. I deposited money initially and I withdrawn the money. I had no problems, okay. I don't trade with this US Canada broker because I am working with the best broker in my knowledge since last 4 years. So I have no reason to change. Okay. Now, this broker for US Canada is actually incorporated in the Republic of Seychelles, offshore company registration number, this and that. Okay. Again, guys, if you are in US Canada, you have limited choices. Either you go with the US based brokers with minimum leverage, or if you want more leverage, you have to go with offshore broker, and you can go and test this out. Okay. So this is the video explaining you, or right on the spot here. I'm not talking about 5 brokers, 10 brokers. There's no point. There's no point. Okay. I'm going to tell you what I have been using and what had been working for me since last 4 years. Okay. If you're in UK, Europe, India, Singapore, Australia, Japan, use broker 123. Okay. For UK, click on the first one, European second, rest of the world third. You're in the US, Canada, the fourth one. Okay. Try these, go and join it. If you have any problem, you can drop me an email. My email is billing@readeidfotic.com. You'll find the details here. Okay. If you have any questions, valid questions, you can drop me an email. If I find your question legitimate, I will revert back to you. Or if you join through my link, and after that, if you have any issues, you can always get back to me on email and I'll help you out. Okay. So go ahead and join if you want to join from UK, Europe, these 3 links. And if you want to join from US, Canada, the last one, again, regulations are there. And again, word of mouth is the biggest marketing ever in the history of online or offline marketing. Okay. People might say this is the world of AI, artificial intelligence, this and that. I don't give a shit. Okay. Word of mouth can never be neglected, because, for example, if I have been using something for 4 years and I am giving you my word of mouth that, okay, I never had a problem with my deposit and payouts, you will listen to me because I'm a really human person. Okay. Go out there on the internet, you will find 10 brokers, you will check their reviews, you will go on the internet, you will watch videos, you will do everything. But until unless you don't find a real person who can come and tell you, hey, you know what, go blindly with this because I am with this, using this for like 5 years. Okay. So when somebody comes and gives you maybe a fist on your back and says, "Don't worry, buddy. I have been using this. Just go ahead with it." Okay. So this, one thing you cannot buy with money, that is experience. No matter how much money you have. You know what? No matter how much money you have, could be a billionaire, millionaire, I don't care. You cannot buy experience with your money. Okay. So I'm telling you from experience, I had been using this broker even till today. Everything is smooth. Crypto transfer. I have been using crypto so smooth. Deposit withdrawal, no problem. And spreads are very low. One more thing is spreads are low. Everything is fine. In case you want to go and try these brokers. And if any questions, get back to me. I'll see you shortly. Take care. Subscribe and like and join my Telegram if you want to.